Holy. Today we're going to take a look at elephant money, take a look at the elephant token, and why I think this pump is just starting. I think we got a long way to go. Okay, I wanted to start this video out by saying thank you. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. I really do. And also, I just wanted to say this as well. Any project or any video that I put on this channel, I truly believe will do well and will make money. I'm not going to put any projects on this channel that I believe will fail or I believe will have topped out. Every single video and every single project I'm either investing in or I believe that will do well in the future. Now, with that being said, now let's take a look at why the elephant token is pumping like this. Okay, let's look into a little history of the elephant token itself. It launched back, it looks like in September it was, and then it had a gradual incline up to the beginning of 2022. And then part of the tokenomics actually makes it pump up this hard. So in March and April of 2020 of this year, actually, it started going parabolic. And then what happened at the top was there was a exploit, and then because of the exploit, it dumped completely all the way down almost to where it started. So if you look at it, it almost went down to where it started. And then there's a bunch of rumors and stuff and about what happened, and the dev, the main dev, the creator, bank teller, they call him, he gained back the trust of the community. He does AMAs all the time. Really smart guy. He knows what he's doing with these tokenomics, because once he gained the trust back of the community, the people started buying back into it, and then gradually it started to go up. And now it's, in those first stages of almost about to go parabolic, it looks like. This is the daily chart. So these are daily candles and it's going up on some of these. These are huge buys. There's hardly any sells or just small sells here and there. But we're going to take a look now on why it's doing that. Okay, if we go to BSC scan, we could look up the token holders. And it's really interesting to see because 50% at the initiation of the project, 50% of the tokens are sent to this graveyard, they call it, which is a dead wallet, so they'll never be in circulation. So that's where 50% of the tokens are. The second highest is the Pancake Swap BNB pool, which is 11%. The fourth highest is the BUSD elephant pool on Pancake Swap, which you would swap your BUSD for elephant, and that's 8%. And the third highest is the treasury. The treasury is growing. I'll show you why in a minute. And it's 9.41%. Now, the real interesting part is that the fifth highest holder is less than 1%. So that's like a true holder. So if they were to, there's nobody that can really dump this project. Like, if they were to dump 0.82%, that would be like one heck of a red candle, but it's not going to hurt the project tremendously. So I thought that was super interesting. But we're going to talk about the treasury next. Okay, so a big reason that treasury is going up is because he's doing this Buy with Bertha program, where elephant holders or the bedrock, it says these are participants that stand with Bertha or Elephant Treasury, which pays out yield and debt obligations. We are pleased to announce that there's a new way to trade elephant at lower tax rates and also enhance the treasury growth at the same time. So it says taxes when buying with Bertha, which if you buy it on the site, you go to the site here, up at the top, with the elephant site where it says buy with Bertha with BNB, taxes are only 8.5% rather than 10% when you buy it on Pancake Swap. So it says buying directly at elephant.money will turbocharge treasury and exponentially drive elephant holder value to the moon. In addition to the raffle entry price when minting has been reduced from 100 trunk to 5 trunk, the raffle update. Okay, so what this is doing is they're taking this amount, 8%, because if 0.5% goes to referrals, but 8% is going directly into this treasury, which they're not selling from here. So there was a couple little tiny sells I saw, but they're basically not selling. So that's what's helping pump the price up tremendously, is this Buy with Bertha program. And I don't know, let's see, today the amount of, let's see, the treasury is at 94.184 trillion elephant tokens as of today. Okay, if you take a moment, and you can smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, because I'm just showing you this alpha. This is going to be, I think it's got a possible 5x. It's a possible 5x to the all-time highs from before. And the thing is with this, is this, the bank teller guy, like he, you know, that hurt him, like when this exploit happened. So he's going to let this treasury fill, I think. I think he wants the elephant token just to crank. And I think it could get up to all-time highs or higher. And if you look at these buys, like there's like no sells in here. Like I have to go through how many buys until I find one sell. There's one. There's a couple here, but there's just like, you know, 30, 40 buys for each sell. Yeah, it's crazy. One thing I wanted to mention is you do get reflections on the elephant token too, based on buys and sells. So you do get, it is a reflection token. You do not have to do anything with it. You could just leave it in your wallet, and it earns reflections automatically. There is a referral. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. Yeah, I don't care. If you want to use it, you can. We both get a little bit of a tax bonus on if you use the referral. So use a referral. If you want to use mine, you can. If you use somebody else's you want to, that's fine as well. Now let's look at how to buy it. Okay, I'll show you how to buy it real quick. I've just been DCAing into this thing like almost every day, because it's flying. I don't think it's even close to done, to be honest with you. Okay, I'm gonna put in 0.1 BNB. And then let's see, you just make sure it says Buy with Bertha here, and then you just hit buy and just go ahead and just confirm the transaction. 0.1 BNB gets 229 million. I know it seems like a ridiculous amount, but like 8% of that goes into that treasury. So it's just stacking up in that treasury and just taking tokens off the market. And eventually it's just going to be like a SPY shock. And then, you know, it's just going to have at one point, it's just going to go completely parabolic, I think. Okay, that's the elephant token. There's more to this project. There's a trunk token. I'll do another video on it, but at this point, I think the way to go is to buy the elephant token right now, because I just think it's got a long way to go. Trunk token's more, it's a stable coin. Well, I'm going to do another video on explaining that as well. None of this is financial advice. Please make sure you hit the like button. Please subscribe. And just tell me what you think about this project in the comments. That'd be great. Yeah, let's see. Give it a week or so. I could be up to 1,500 here, I think, probably. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.